Hello, welcome to techskillstutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. I want to show you guys a simple strategy and the easiest way to make money from crypto market using a crypto company that can help you earn money and rewards freely without stress. You don't need to be a trader. You don't need any trading skills or experience. You don't need too much time to work with them. You don't need any strategy to work with them. You don't need too much effort to work with them. All you just need is a little time, a little effort, and also you need just one more thing. You need a guideline, a guider, just like me, because I'm here to guide you and show you how to get the money out from this company. So, guys, without taking too much time, if you are one of those my clients who clicked on my advert link on Facebook, on any social media, you're welcome. I still remain Johnson Kevin, and on this platform I teach you about making money online, and whatever I post here is for educational purpose and is for financial purpose. You make money here when you're on this channel. As far as you're a subscriber, you get the update about how to make money online. And before I post anything on this channel, I am very sure I have done my due diligence and research. So for those of you guys who are doubting me, if you follow me to the end of this video, you'll be able to get the results you are looking for. So doubt not. If you're doubting yourself and you want to make $100 every day, just like the way people deceive you on YouTube, and you watch their YouTube video to the end and end up earning nothing, wasting your MB and data, I think if you want to be making $100 every day, just like those liars online telling you can make $100 online every day, my dear, why not go over there and pause this video? We are here to make money, but not $100 every day. It's not fucking easy. Making $100 every day is only easy when you are ready to take the risk, because it's going to worth the risk also. You can trade and make $100 every day, but if you can lose more than $100. So guys, without wasting much of your time, if you are new to this channel today, please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell icon to always get notified when I upload new videos like this. So guys, without taking much time, let's go over to this crypto company I'm telling you about. It's a crypto exchange that I've been trading with for the past 4 years. So guys, this is a Luno wallet, which most of you have come across, and you people has known about this crypto wallet for a long time. So guys, I've been trading with this crypto wallet for the past 3 years, and recently I've traded and I've passed one of their tests. I've traded for the past 12 months consistently, and I've traded all the month throughout without missing out any month. So guys, I was opportune to get a reward from this company that if I bring in anyone with my promo code, I will be earning the sum of 3,500 naira in Bitcoin, and equally the same with my downline who I will bring in. So with this opportunity, I'm sharing this update because I also want you people to earn with me. That's why I'm sharing it on my channel, and I'm sharing it all over the social media, because I know very well if I earn, you are going to earn. So guys, without taking much time, let's go through how this reward works. So the simple way it works is getting started. First of all, getting started. Let's go there. No. So sorry. At first, before you get rewards from this company, as I'm saying, using my promo code, you have to first of all sign up and make sure you have your national ID card for you to sign up, a government valid national ID card or a voter's card, a driving license. Make sure you have it before you sign up. And while signing up, they'll ask you for a promo code. You make sure you use my promo code. Make sure you use my promo code. Sorry. Here is my promo code. I'll be posting it on this video description below. So this is my promo code. This is my promo code. If you are signing up and you use this my promo code, you will get a bonus or a reward of 3,500 in Bitcoin after making your first purchase of any amount of crypto in this wallet. So they will give you this crypto or this reward after you buy or make a purchase of any coin in this wallet. So let's see how it works. Step 1, share. Okay, this is for me. reward level. Okay guys, so earn Bitcoin for referring friends and family. So guys, you can see I have beaten level 1, level 2, and I'm in level 3 guys, which is the highest you can see for here now. So if I'm in level 1, you'll be earning 1,000 naira. That's for the benefit of level 1. If I'm in level 2, you as my referrer will be earning 2,000. But I'm in level 3, you'll be earning 3,500. And you can see you transacted 12 months total from January to December without missing any target. That's why I'm in level 3, because I've been trading, I've been buying and holding coins, trading, selling, buying, trading, selling, buying. So guys, you don't need to be an expert trader. You don't need to learn anything about trading forex or trading or holding on to news, knowing when the market is going bullish or bearish. All you just have to do, guys, is simple. Come over here, get the Luno wallet, sign up, follow my simple instruction, sign up using my promo code in this description below. Make sure my promo code is correct, and you will earn 3,500 naira trade using my promo code. Okay, that is all you have to do. That is all. So after this, I will also show you, for those of you guys, after doing this, for those of you guys who would like to learn how to make money from crypto without trading, all you just have to do is find a crypto that is going to go bullish on the market. And where do you find this? You'll find this in an exchange, a wallet, market cap. Let me take it here. So right here, we monitor any kind of crypto in the market. Then we set a news alert for any of these. This is how we do it here. Let me say LTC. So you come over here, news. You come over news. You stay on the news. LTC price prediction can be LTC sustain the recent gain, see 4 hours. So you come over here to get news for any latest coin and updates. So if you want to be making money, find any coin here in this wallet or this exchange. This is not really an exchange, but this is just a coin market cap where you get news feed about any coin in the world market. So when you get the news, you know that it's going to go bullish or bearish. Then you know when to buy or sell. Then you can go over to an exchange here. You can easily buy these. Like for instance, after making research about any coin, you can go back to Binance. So on Binance, we have a lot of coin you can buy from Binance. So you can see, you search any of the coin, you find there that it's going to go bullish or bearish, whatever one. You come over here and buy it. Okay, so that's it, guys. My Binance is out of date. Okay, I'm updating it now. It's out of date. So guys, that is it. I think I still have money on my Binance. I have some crypto. Let me check my wallet. Okay, let's go to sports. Okay, overview, sports. Okay, so here is it, guys. GST is $2.4, while the BitTorrent coin is around 74 cents. It's around 74 cents. Okay. This is just the coin I have here. So guys, without taking much of your time, I've shown you everything for today in this video episode, guys. If you like what I just shared with you guys, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and do not forget to follow this channel for more tips. So guys, I've given you the latest updates I have for you. Do not forget, sign up using my promo code and get the reward bonus for 3,500 from this company. Now after doing that, make sure you make sure you chat me up on my WhatsApp in the description below using my WhatsApp phone number or my email address, and I'll be giving you a guide on how you can get your downlines for yourself. Getting your downlines for yourself is as easy as nothing. You don't have to go and look for someone to register under you. All you have to do is, number one, you get a prepared video like this, then I will show you how to promote it and get a client that will already start using your promo code. Then you make more money. So guys, if you think it's not possible, why not have a try first? Take an attempt and make sure you follow my guidelines and you see the kind of results you get. So I believe very well that my video will be of help to you if you follow my guidelines till the end. So for those of you guys who haven't make any comment in the comment section below, please tell me the kind of video you want me to create for you. Before leaving this video, please do not forget to like this video and share it. Okay, so guys, I'll see you on the next video episode. I still remain Johnson Kevin, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Hello guys, one more thing. I need to show you how to fund your wallet. So in case for those of you who has actually signed up using my promo code and you're ready to fund your wallet, if you have signed up and you're ready to fund your wallet and buy your first coin, make your first purchase of your coin, this is the way to fund your wallet. First of all, you come over here to wallet. Second step is make sure you click right here, then you tap on it. Then the next thing to do is you click right here, deposit. Okay, so another step again is, this is how to fund your wallet. Take note. The next thing is you click right here, create a voucher. So I'm showing you step by step. Add an amount. How much do you need? 5,000. I'm advising you to buy a coin of 5,000 or 10,000, because if you purchase any coin worth up to that amount, you will see the percentage appreciation grow very fast. If you buy a smaller one, it won't really grow very fast. So I advise you buy the one that can grow very fast. Okay guys, so you move on. 5,000. Click next. Pay for your voucher. You can see fee 2%. You can see you receive. So that's it guys. You click pay for voucher. It automatically redirects you to a free voucher website. So I have my card here already. You can use another card, or you click right here, to use another payment method. So use your card. I have my own card saved right here because I buy coin 247. This is not the only exchange where I buy coin, and I don't longer use Binance too much to buy coins. So I love using this wallet exchange. When I make money here, I transfer to other wallets to buy coin. So proceed. So take a look guys. Purchase, we have sent you an OTP to your mobile registered number and then your email address. So guys, this is it. You enter the OTP code here, confirm. Then after confirming, you come back. They sent me the OTP code. My first bank sent me the OTP code. Here it is, but I'm not going to enter. So the next thing is, after paying for your voucher, you will receive the voucher code. Redeem the voucher here. Enter the voucher number. captcha pin and the security ID of the voucher and click redeem. It will automatically redeem to your wallet without wasting time. So guys, this is how to fund your wallet. Thank you for your attention, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So do not also forget to chat me up on my WhatsApp, or you send me an email to get the free course on how to get referrals or downlines who already start using your promo code, so you will be able to make money for yourself on this platform, Lunar Wallet. So not just getting this 3,500 naira bonus because of you are using my promo code. This is not a lot of money for you. For you to get more money from this platform, get this course for free. I'm doing it for free because you registered with my promo code. That is why I'm giving it to you. But if you didn't register with my promo code, I'm not giving it back to you. So I'll confirm, if you use my promo code, be rest assured I'm giving you this course for free. You get as many clients as you can to register using your promo code without stress. So see you guys over there. Make sure you just tell me some ask any question and make some comment in the comment section below, and do not forget to share this video if you like this video, and also share it to reach other people who would love to make money online, because I'm here to guide you, coach you, and show you the legitimate way of making online money, not Ponzi scheme which they scam you of your money. So guys, thank you for your support and thank you for your interest. Bye for now. See you guys.